in hand. Footsteps fade like shifting sand. Cafe solitude warm and deep, where silence lingers, secrets keep. Pages turn, but time stands still. Rain outside upon the sill. One more sip, a slow embrace. Lost in steam, but not misplaced. Oh, cafe solitude, hush my mind. Let the past fall far behind. Every echo soft and light melts into the coffee night. Letters scrawled on paper thin. Stories woven deep within. Caffeine hums a lullaby. Fleeting thoughts that drift and die. Let the moments steep and brew. Let them fade like morning dew. Nothing stays, yet nothing leaves. Trapped in warmth, my heart believes.
어린이 보호구역입니다.
Solitude, hush my mind. Let the past fall far behind.
어린이 보호구역에 진입했습니다. 서행하세요.
Echo soft and light melts into
약 200m 앞 시속 30km 과속 신호위반 단속 구간입니다.
close the book, it still remains. Face solitude close the book, yet still remains. Cafe solitude in veins. Morning light through the glass, it pours. Gentle whispers from creaky floors. Coffee steam rises like a prayer. In this moment, nothing compares. Fingers trace the rim of my cup. Time slows down, I'm filling it up. Your laugh sparkles like soft moon glow. In the stillness, love starts to show. Let's freeze this time. step we find